Hello everyone, my name is Clay. Welcome to Calem Enterprise Training. Today we're going to cover service request. And we will cover the following functions from creation to lifecycle management, notifications, and turning an SR into a work order, service level agreements, on-call search, and email and SR. So let's look at the roles for the SR module. We have the maintenance supervisor and the managers. They are the SR dispatcher and SR monitor. They approve SR, turn SR into work order, and they close SR. Operations supervisor and managers are the SR monitor. They essentially kind of keep track of the statuses of SR, and they create an SR. Technical staff, they're users with EAM flag checked. They're not directly working on SR, but they execute work orders created from SR. They may also create other work orders. Operations staff are the users of CalemEAM. They create a service request. Let's look at the SR submission options in Calem Enterprise. You can submit an SR by email, create an SR anonymously, or create an SR as a login user. To create an SR by email, you just send an email to a configured email address for your service. And you will get this email address from Calem. And the service request email must be sent from your domain, your domain's email, or your customer domain's email. And the email subject is turned to the SR subject. Email body would be SR description, and attachment from your email would be added as SR attachment. To submit a SR anonymously, you can either do it by click on the service request without logging from the login screen of Calem Enterprise, or you can embed the anonymous SR submission into your website. Just contact us. We can work with you and embed this the next screen into your website. To submit SR anonymously, you just set the priority, subject description, pick an asset or location, enter your requester email and name, and also put in a PIN. The PIN would be for spam control, and you will be notified of a PIN kind of to be used internally or by customers to submit an SR anonymously. For login user, just set the priority, category, subject, description, select an asset or location, and submit an email. And save the service request. For all the SR submission, you can optionally turn off the asset or location requirement so that they are not mandatory. Let's look at the SR life cycles. When SR is created, it's in a new state, new status. The SR dispatcher can turn it into responded and then into approved, or the dispatcher can disapprove or cancel the SR if it's a false alarm or if it's duplicates. The SR dispatcher then turn the SR into work order. After it approved the SR, turn it into work order, assign it to technicians. And the technical staff then take the work order, complete it, and which also completes SR. The SR dispatcher then review it and close the SR. So there are email notifications for the service request when it's created, when there are status changes, when there are comments or attachment added to the service request. You can interact with the email. You can interact with the service request through email notifications sent to you. Simply reply to that email, and your email contents would be added to SR as comments, and you can optionally add attachments would also be added to SR as attachments. And you can create a work order from SR. This would be done by the dispatcher. They just click on the menu from the SR, which would turn the SR into work order. And when that work order is completed, that would also complete SR by Calem. There are 3 types service level agreement parameters you can define. You can define how soon an SR should be responded, how soon it should be on site, and how soon it should be resolved. You can define an on-call list for a customer site from the scheduling module. You can also do the on-call search from either the SR or scheduling module, so you can find out who is on call for a customer site or for some internal sites. You can email an SR to people by their email addresses. So that's all the service request module points. So let's look at the hands-on lab. In this hands-on lab, you're going to create an SR manually, create an SR via email, create an SR anonymously, and also turn an SR into work order. Our next training module is change management. And with this training, hopefully you can start to roll out service requests to your operations staff and your customers. If there are any questions, contact us at CalemEAM. Thank you.